Okay, so this is a quick tutorial to show you how to create a contact sheet in Photoshop. A contact sheet is essentially having all your photos for your production laid out on one sheet. And the advantage of this is because you're printing a set, we can look at them side by side and see if they look like a consistent set. Okay, so first you need to have your photos processed and exported out of Lightroom. Okay, so we'll just assume that I have done that. So here I am in Photoshop. Okay, so this is when you first start Photoshop. This is a screen you get before you open a old project or start a new one. But we're not doing that. All we're going to do is get Photoshop to create a contact sheet. So we go up to the File menu at the top there, and you see you have this option Automate. From Automate, you choose Contact Sheet 2. Okay, so that's going to open up this dialog box. We're choosing a folder. Now, see here where it says choose, this is where we select our folder. Okay, so I have created a folder here with some photos of our new puppy. Okay, so I've chosen that. And you'll see now it says that it's on the desktop, one called Bonnie Export. Okay, next thing we have to do is go through some of these details down here. Okay, this is set up to do an A4 page. I think that should be okay for us. All right, if you wanted to do it into an A3, we just have to change these parameters, but that's set up as an A4. All right, further down here for our thumbnails, you'll see the amount of columns we have and the amount of rows. I suggest that you do 2 columns and 5 rows because you have 10 photos. Tell it to use auto spacing, give them a name. All right, now we say OK. Well, actually, I'm going to change something here. Because there's only 4 photos in mine, I'm going to change this to a 2 rows by 2 columns. But you want to do it for 10 photos. Then we say OK, and Photoshop starts thinking. It creates a document, and then it starts laying out your images for you. This will take a few minutes. Okay, and you can see that now that has laid out those 4 photos together. It's rotated them, etc., to fit them all on one page, and you can see the name of each photo is underneath it. All you need to do is then save that as an image, and then we'll print that out so you can have a look at your images. Okay, that's how you create a contact sheet, guys.